So a scatter plot is a useful summary between two numerical variables. It gives a good visual picture of the relationship between the two variables and aids the interpretation of the correlation coefficient and the regression model. Now, while mathematically it really makes no difference in terms of which variable you put for the x values and which variable you put for the y values, statistically, we want the y values to be the variable that you want to predict, and the x values to be the variable that explains those y values. So when the roles are clear, the explanatory variable goes on the x-axis, and the response variable will go on the y-axis. So for instance, suppose you have data on the circumference of oak trees, which measure at 4.5 feet from the ground, and their age in years. An oak tree in the park has a circumference of 36 inches, and you wish to know approximately how old it is. Now, we're trying to predict the age, so age is going to be the y value, the response variable. And what we're using to make that prediction is the circumference. So that's going to be our x variable. Okay. And so one way, there are like tree age calculators online. So for instance, this one here, tree age calculator, I say I choose oak. Let's make it 36 inches. And submit. And scroll down, you see the result is that the oak tree would be about 72 years old. Anyway,